Good morning, folks. It's 11:59 a.m. on the third day, 10th month, 2021, coming to you from Liverpool, England. I have a severe flood warning and flash flood warning to issue for Bengal, Bhutan, in front of the Himalayas, in front of the remains of this storm, which will ride this mountain until it gets to the mountain passes of Bhutan, and then it'll switch to this side of the mountain, past where this square form of energy is. It'll follow this path here of geoengineering. It's going to be a very severe amount of rain. Some places up to 300 millimeters of rain are going to fall within a 12-hour period. So that's severe situation for these folks. It's very dire, and we need to get the warning out to them. If you're in the path of this EMF blast, get your stuff and get out. If you're near low-lying areas where there's rivers, which is everywhere along here. Okay, what the runoff from these mountains when it comes down is going to be a killer. It's going to be a cascade, and it's going to make this river down here run. It's going to run wild. Okay, so get the warning out to people. Why do I say this, you wonder? Because, excuse me, bring this down. I say that because I went and looked. All right, here's the what it's going to look like over, here, let me move this a little bit. Over the rain accumulations over this area here over the next 3 days is nothing compared to what's coming the next 24 hours. That didn't even just change very much. So what we got going on is this. Right now, over the next 12 hours, they don't have much falling through here, but a good bit falling through here. So the rivers here are starting to fill up. Their banks are being, in some places, already breached. 12 hours after that, all this area is inundated with heavy rains. All right, look. 120 mils over that 24-hour period, which is going to occur after that 12-hour period, right? And all these main rivers here are going to be stressed out with very heavy rains, handling all the waters from all of these rains. And that's why I say, when by the time we get down here, we're in a big problem. We've got a really big problem, because over that amount of days, over the next 3 days, you see that 300 number there? Okay, this is a serious situation for Nepal. Yep. For Bhutan, for parts of Bangladesh, anything downriver of this can cop it from this flooding. Okay, this water's coming this way. So this is a very serious situation over the next 24 hours in here. It looks like you got about a 12-hour opportunity through here to get stuff, get out, get to higher ground. So if you're along in here, it's very important we get this warning out to these people. Very important that if you live along that line here I was pointing at, you got about 12 hours to get your stuff out. I'm giving you one of the most severe warnings I've issued in a long time. Okay, so I'm going to keep this short so we can get the word out, and let's save some lives. That's Mount Everest, by the way, so you get an idea where you are. All right, remember, geoengineering kills, but warning people saves lives. Big love, people. Peace. Trying to click it off.